Okay, go. You could talk.
I can't talk and do this
Oh,
at the
okay.
same time. Are you kidding?
Okay, so then you do that. I will explain. Okay,
All
then
right.
then you do that.
Then you're gonna
You do
roll.
that.
Then you're gonna roll this into the halfway point. And sometimes it's easier if you weight that down to hold it while you do the other side. And then, once you've got that, you take this about a third of the way down.
Oh, wait. I missed that. Sorry, I was, Okay, so you rolled them both up.
You got them rolled both up, and then
Okay.
you're gonna take this part of the napkin about a third of the way down, and you're gonna fold it over this way.
Oh, would you do that again? Okay. This is tricky.
All right, so you take this about a third of the way down, and you fold it over.
Okay, so you fold it back so that this, you're not folding the crevice under, you're folding it
You
out.
fold the crevice out, because then you're gonna take these and you kind of tuck this back, roll that back,
Oh, that is
Kind of
tricky.
like you do with turkey legs.
shoulder rolls,
Oh, that was tricky.
and then, well, he's either got a long neck or he's gonna be an obscene little napkin man.
She.
No, I don't think that's a she.
Alrighty.
Call it cat.
Thank you, Brenda.
Oh. Yeah. You may have to do that over.
Okay.
Okay.
And we here have plain square now.
Thank you, Brenda. That was very good.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Oh my God.
Don't ask me to do it again.